Here. Good. Hey, Autumn. You're not gonna let me have that one?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, come on up. Can you show her a night before she leaves? She needs to order one. As soon as she gets it in, we're gonna start a, matter of fact, she has portable.
I knew it. Thanks, Autumn.
Stand to the left for me and we'll finish with this neck. Turn your head left. Good. Yeah, Autumn's been here long enough now. She's always mostly correctly guessing what's wrong with patients, so it's neat to see.
Yeah, I told her that was about the only thing that was hurting today.
It's great. It's nice to not hurt, isn't it? Yeah, I still can't believe I'm a chiropractor. I used to think chiropractors were horse whisperers, advanced massage therapists that didn't need to be called doctors. And then after I went to the chiropractic school and became a chiropractor, I was like, wow, there's a lot more to this than just cracking bones.
Yeah.
Turn your head left and right now. See how that feels, Lisa? Great range of motion. Awesome.